Welcome to Say Ease with Tech, where smart tech meets real-life solutions. We dive deep into the latest gadgets, gear, and innovations designed to make your life easier, smarter, and more powerful. From underwater exploration to smart homes and futuristic wearables, we don't just review tech, we show you how it works for you. Subscribe and level up your tech game with ease. Imagine being 350 meters under the ocean surface. Pitch black water, unpredictable currents, and an urgent mission. Inspect a damaged shipwreck, collect samples, or film rare creatures at depth. Most ROVs would struggle, drift away, or lose track. But this is where the FIFISH Pro W6 steps in. No other ROV can deliver precision, power, and adaptability like this. In deep-sea environments, currents aren't just strong, they're unpredictable. Standard ROVs drift, footage goes blurry, operations slow down. You can't film seamless species, inspect deep-sea pipelines, or retrieve fragile samples without precise control. The Pro W6's patented station lock algorithm locks its position against interference. It holds ±1 centimeters, even in strong currents, and returns to its exact spot after any maneuver. In underwater inspections, guesswork is not an option. You need hard measurements. The Pro W6 integrates laser, AR, and compass rulers to deliver centimeter-level precision, even in darkness or murky water. You don't buy 5 different ROVs, you adapt one. With 5 QIF ports, W6 accepts custom accessories, sonars for mapping, robotic arm for retrieval, water sampler for research, simultaneously. For filmmakers and scientists alike, low light isn't an obstacle. Dual 4K cameras, one forward, one downward, paired with 12,000 lumen LED lights mean you capture crisp visuals and context, even at 350 meters. Need to grab samples? The neutral buoyancy robotic arm hauls up to 20 kilograms, detaches seamlessly, and swaps out with another tool. Instant capability upgrade below the waves. 350-meter depth, up to 6 hours dive time with quick swap battery. Standard 305-meter tether, powerful 6Q motors fight currents, so W6 doesn't quit until you do station lock. Precision measurement, modular tool set, cinematic 4K clarity. With the FIFISH Pro W6, you're not just diving, you're commanding the deep. Whether filmmaking, marine research, shipwreck restoration, or industrial inspection, nothing else delivers like W6. Want total control in the deep? Check out the FIFISH Pro W6. Dive deeper, stay steadier, film sharper. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart tech made easy, only on Say Ease with Tech. See you in the next video.